Want an easy way to create professional floor plans? With Room Sketcher, you can create beautiful, high-quality 2D and 3D floor plans anytime, anywhere. Save time and start creating your floor plan on-site. You can either order your floor plans through Room Sketcher floor plan services. Just snap a photo of your sketch, place your order, and get it back the next business day. Or draw floor plans yourself using the Room Sketcher app. Simply click and drag the cursor to draw and move walls. It's easy. Then add stairs, windows, and doors. Your Room Sketcher projects are stored in the cloud and sync across devices so you can access your floor plans on your tablet and your computer. The easy-to-use floor plan software makes it fast to add flooring and furnishing. Choose from a wide range of products, then drag and drop for correct placement. You can also include important details like room names, sizes, and measurements. If you need to make a change, there's no waiting or downtime. It's easy to edit your floor plan using the app. Improve your property listings by including professional 2D and 3D floor plans. Every day, Room Sketcher helps thousands of business professionals to power their floor plan needs and would love to help you. Get started today.